How to use the go-to function in workflows. The go-to workflow action can be added to the end of a workflow path to send the contact to any given point within a specific path of a workflow. Please note this action can only be done at the end of a workflow path. Navigate to your workflows and click into the workflow that you wish to update. Or maybe you want to start creating a workflow from scratch, and that's fine too. Once you have your workflow set up, you'll go to the actions at the end and choose Go To from the list. Click Save to add this action. A green circle will appear under the action within the workflow builder. Drag and drop it to the action you wish to direct the path to. You'll then see the icon with a dotted line indicating the Go To action is set up in the path. Please note again, this action can only be done at the end of a workflow path. Maybe you have multiple paths in the workflow, and when one path ends, you want the contact to be redirected to another path or another portion of the workflow. Don't forget to save any changes that you've made. And now you're all set. You now know how to use the Go To function in the workflow builder. It's as easy as that.